Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching from. My name is Gideon Teresa, your humble girl. If you are a returning subscriber, I love you so much. And if this is your first time, please like, share, subscribe, as this will make YouTube recommend a video to more people. Thank you so much. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to open or download 1688 app. You know, you can't get it on the Play Store as an Android user. You can't get it on the Play Store from Play Store, but if you're an Apple iPhone user, you can get it from your Apple Store. I already uploaded a video about how to create account 1688 account, so I just want to show you how to download the app 1688 app. So without much ado, let's walk into the video. So I'll be opening my Chrome. You have to do it from Chrome browser. So open your Chrome. Let's wait for it to load. Then Chrome. Okay, so I type 1688. You type 1688.com. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, so it's open now. Let's go. So take your time, watch this video very well. Watch this video very. So let me show you next thing to do from here. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed, please do so, like this video and share. Okay, so this second icon here, this one I'm circling here, this second one, you click on it, right? So I tap on it now. You see, so next thing you need to do from here is, you see, download Alibaba app. You see, download Alibaba app. So even if your own did not translate to English, just click on this same thing, this same long blue icon I'm clicking here. Tap on it, saying you should download the app. So once you click on it, it will download. Do you know why it's doing like this? Because I already have the app on this phone. I have the app on this phone. So this is just how you can do it. Once you tap on this one now, if I tap on it, it will take me to my own app. But what you can do from here is, once you tap on it to download, then you go to your files in your apps. You see files. Let me go there and show you. You see files. Okay, so file manager. Once you go to your file manager, you will see downloaded the new things you just downloaded. You see them there. Okay, you see them there. So you see all these ones that are here now. See all these ones that are here. You see this one. This is what you will click. So once you click it, it will bring the new app that you just downloaded. You install it, give it access, then it will install. Once it's installed, you will see it in your among your apps on your phone. You will see it among your apps on your phone like this. So this is how you can download your 1688 app. This is how you can download your 1688 app. Please, if you have not subscribed, please do so. And if you are a returning subscriber, I love you. If you want me to train you on how to import from China, from Bangladesh, from India, and from Vietnam, please, I will leave my phone number in the description of this video. And if you want me to procure for you, or if you want me to exchange your RMB for you, I can do so. If you want me to verify your WeChat, I can do that as well. Don't forget to reach out. And if you want me to do any video for you, I will leave my number in the description of this video. Chat me up on WhatsApp or call me. I will do a video for you. And this is a shout out to my friends from Pedro from Mozambique, who reached out for me to make a video on how to create 1688 account. Thank you. I've seen that you've watched the video. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye.